Do you want to use free VPN on your Windows computer? And if you're looking for a free option, I have a great option for you because I'm going to show you how to use free VPN on Google Chrome on your Windows PC. So how do you do that, guys? Once you go ahead and open up your Google Chrome, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to where you have the extensions and just click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you visit the Chrome Web Store, guys, all you have to do is simply type in VPN and hit enter on your keyboard. You'll find a ton of options, but the favorite one that I like to use is the V, which is the WEPN.com. That one you will see it here. It says free VPN for Chrome VPN proxy VPN. I like that one. So what you want to do is just simply click on this option, guys, and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. It's going to quickly add the extension to your Google Chrome and redirect you to their web page. Now they show you that you get a free option, right? No money, zero cost. However, it's a bit limited because what you get with this is basically up to 5 countries. You get one device and the speed is not the fastest, but it does work, right? So you get up to 2 megabits per second. While the paid version, it's ridiculously cheap. You can see that the premium option is $2.49, which is basically $2.50. You get premium, you get over 2,500 VPN servers and over 60 countries and 10 devices. Not to mention the speed is 1,000 megabits per second. Really cool for that speed, right? Now to use the free VPN option, just simply click the extension gear here at the upper right hand side of your Google Chrome. You will see the VPN that you add and you can pin it to the top so that you have quick access to it. Now all you have to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and click on the VPN at the top here. It's going to open up the VPN window here and just simply click on continue. Click on start, and here, guess what? You can easily switch between those 5 free countries that you have. So it's currently set to Netherlands now. I can choose, for example, the UK, and guess what? Just simply click on power, and it's gonna power on, connect very fast. And as you can see, it's now connected. Now, if I go ahead and I, for example, close this particular window here, and I, for example, go to maybe youtube.com as an example, I can type in youtube.com and hit search. Guess what? I'm going to go right to YouTube while I'm connected to the free VPN. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys, how to use free VPN on Google Chrome on your PC. Hope you find this useful. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other options that you've tried and it really works. I would really like to know it, but this one really works and I want to share that with you. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.